The all-new Smart Postpaid Surf Plus plan. Packed with super-sized data. Choose freebies every month, plus calls and text, and the latest smartphones. It's postpaid made smart.
Tuy on deck to serve para dito sa Vietnam. Number 3 serving it up, and Vietnam with a 3-point lead, 16-13. As we see a Denton Manabat running attack.
See, yun ang nagagawa pag maganda yung first ball eh. Nakaka-set up for the middle hitter to make the attack. And when you have the middle hitter doing the attacks, it's so difficult to block.
And Gia Morado starting to mix it up as well. We've seen that from Gia.
At ngayon, no, nag-substitution na itong Team Vietnam. I think they really want to stop the middle hitter of the Philippines.
14 serving 16. Back is with the service. Play doesn't work para sa Vietnam. Valdez susubok! At Valdez bumubulusok.
Ang ganda naman ng play na ginawa ni Gia kasi I think at that time inabangan ng Vietnam yung middle hitter ng Philippines, but Gia gave it to the open. Eliza Valdez with an angled hit there. Quick point for the Philippines.
Flying high, hitting hard. Eliza Valdez. The Philippines down by 1. Combination play para sa Vietnam. Excellent dig para kay Dakis. Here's Manabat. Swing attack, not over.
Medyo nang gigil si Manabat doon kasi ang ganda at ang lapit sa net. Masyado lang niyang tinamaan ng bola na not at its peak.
Philippines still looking for that one big run.
Yes.
To overtake it to Vietnam. Valdez adjusts. Oh, smart shot in the finish.
Ang ganda nung ginawa ni Valdez. Off speed. Talagang tinimingan pa niya na pababa na yung blockers ng Vietnam before she hit that ball. Look at this replay.
Pinaasa yung depensa. Yes. And then finishing over the top. Game highlights brought to you by Smart. Live more. But we cannot put the run together. That is a service error.
Dami tayong mga services na nasasayang because of the errors. And you know, yun yung mga quick points na binibigay natin na libre sa kalaban.
18 serving 16, set number 2. Jaja gets blocked.
Alam mo, yung pagka-react doon ni Jaja, ayun yung immediate reaction ng hitter pagka nabalik ng blockers ng kalaban. Ayun o, nag-react siya. But she has to remember na meron siyang coverage sa likod.
The block brought to you by Smart. Live more. Timeout whistle. Philippines still trailing Vietnam dito sa second set.
The 28th Southeast Asian Games is presented to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband.
The new fan cam lets you watch over your family, controlled by the quad-core PLDT Home Telpad.
It was a crucial timeout para di sa Team Pilipinas at tuwing nakakalapit tayo, lagi may sagot. It's a well-executing team tulad ng Thailand, and you can hear the ladies of Team Pilipinas. Nag-uusap-usap sila, tara, umpisahan natin sa receive, tikitan muna natin, tsaka natin subukang lamangan.
Oo, at sabi nga ni Coach Roger during that timeout ang Vietnam puro lagay lang sila placing, wala naman talagang strong hits there. Kaya tayo, ang advice naman ni Coach Roger, wag magda-down the line. Ayun, hindi siya nag-down the line, punto sa atin, she did a cross-court hit, Valdez.
Clear instructions para kay Baldo, panatan mo!
Yes! At binanatan din naman niya.
Gia Morado on deck to serve. Smiling assassin from Ateneo de Manila University. Ooh, back set. And a well-run play. I think there was a violation.
There was a net violation there. I think that was from Jaja.
And natumpa kanina ng medyo masama ito. That's why she was subbed out. Now she's back on the floor.
With a smile. So she's probably okay now.
Three-point lead para sa Vietnam. Now with a chance off the blocker.
That was a good hit from Vietnam. Ang kailangan natin, ang kailangan ng Philippines ay good coverage. Kailangan yung nagko-coverage sa likod ng blockers natin, humahabol ng bola.
Tui enjoyed a few minutes rest. Now back on the floor, player number 3. Jana Santiago puts it down.
Maganda kasi yung first ball ni Dakis. Tuloy, nakaset up ng play si Murado. Look at this. Right there. Ganda ng elevation ng bola niya. Perfect for Jaja.
Ultra Fast Mike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra. Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. And we serve up an ace.
This is one of the best servers, Tung Si Baldo. Or rather, yeah, Baldo.
And number 15, Lien, telling everyone, just stay calm. We got this. Sabi ni Baldo, sige, susubukan kita. Pero dito, pag nakaka-receive talaga ang Vietnam, able to attack quickly in transition.
Oh, sagot agad sila eh. Kasi ito, tingnan mo, nagsismile-smile pa sila, no? Ang Vietnam, parang cool na cool naglalaro against the Philippines.
22 serving 19. Good reception by Dakis. She gets it back. Gets denied up top. Buhay pa bola para sa Pilipinas. Babalik tayo kay Dakis. Different shot this time. Ball doesn't fall. Vietnam mula sa back row. Nakahuli doon ni Gia Morado. Gonzaga denied. And she will score. Ball goes out of bounds.
At yan ang dapat gawin ng Philippines. Parati na lang, kailangan hataw sa bola, and when they get the point, celebrate it.
Iparamdam na talaga lumalaban ang balibulista Pinay as Gonzaga hammers it home.
Saka okay yung ginawa ni Gonzaga. Sinigaw niya out, kaya walang teammate na humabol. Kaya lang service error na naman from the Philippines. Si Jaja again with a service error. Okay, let's see kung anong gagawin ng Philippines to make up for that.
It is a 3-point lead para sa Vietnam, 23-20.
Uy, Milo!
Coach Roger Gorayab and the rest of Team Pilipinas fighting with every inch of their strength. Lamang ang kalaban ng Vietnam ng tatlo, 23-20 dito sa set number 2. Pag nakakakuha naman tayo ng first ball, Chicky, nakaka-atake tayo, nakaka-execute tayo. Gia can do her thing.
Yes.
Unfortunately, we can't put 2 and 2 together dahil nga pagkataas ng puntos, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga service error.
Oo, kaya dapat talaga, if you're in the service area and you think you're too nervous or yung adrenaline masyadong malakas, ipasok mo na lang yung bola. No need to try to score from the service area. Just put it over.
Oh, Vietnam attacking the back row defense and they will score.
Tui with an outside hit there. Or rather with a utility hit there.
Boy Tinga on deck to serve para dito sa Vietnam. We are at set point in set number 2. And then the second touch. The push doesn't work para kay Valdez. Cross-court shot, no finish. Puntos para sa Pilipinas.
And personally, kala ko inside yun, hit the corner, pero buti na lang for the Philippines. That ball went out. Team captain, Jovin Gonzaga. Oh man, with a service error.
And the Philippines really has to clean it up dahil papasok tayo sa set number 3, down by 2 sets kontra dito sa Vietnam.
Winning team, Vietnam.
We need some backup. Oh, brother! Not so bad.
Clash of Clans. Download for free.
When you're young, madaling maging fit. Sana ganito lagi.
But by your mid-20s, metabolism slows down. It's easy to gain weight.
Kaya ngayon pa lang, we take control. Kaya, we've changed our lunch drink to the right one. Del Monte Fit and Right.
The only juice with L-carnitine and GCE that may help reduce fat.
For the right lifestyle and 1 bottle of Del Monte Fit and Right every day, we have the right teammate to be fit for life.
After a decade, homegrown talent Rayland Capellan ended the country's SEA Games gold medal drought in gymnastics at the 28th Southeast Asian Games.
The Philippines.
The 21-year-old product of Philippine National Games impressed the judges in one of its favorite events, the floor exercise. Capellan, a former college cheerleader, bested the host nation's Ho Wan Toon, who took the silver mint, and Vietnam's Phan Phuc Phung, who went home with the bronze. Shrugging off a right shoulder injury, Capellan delivered an awe-inspiring routine that earned him 14,733 points, worthy of a gold medal. The victory marked the first time the country's artistic gymnastics landed on top of the podium since Roel Martinez's performance in the 2005 Manila Games.
Prevented us from, making that an interesting finish towards the end of the second set.
Oo, kasi kapag nakakapuntos nga tayo sa attacks natin in the front line or in the back line, no, from our hitters, biglang namamatay yung adrenaline natin or yung momentum natin when it gets to the service area. So let's see kung anong adjustments yung magagawa pa ng Philippines to have a better third set.
Dacus keeps it alive. Morado sets it up. Para kay Alyssa Valdez, gets denied.
The blockers were right there. They knew who was going to hit that ball for an attack for the Philippines. At talaga namang ready ang blockers ng Vietnam for Valdez.
Morado goes to Valdez. Off the blocker, gets the finish.
Ito namang si Valdez, no, talagang bawi agad kasi nagka-error siya kanina, and Morado, being a good setter, binigyan ulit ng pagkakataon immediately si Valdez to protect her name. At, nagka-puntos naman talaga agad.
Service brought to you by Smart. Live more. Oh, chance ball given up by Vietnam. 1-2 attack by Morado, doesn't work. Drop shot. The effort para sa Pilipinas. Valdez trying to go to the back line. No. The push doesn't work. Jaja Santiago sends it back. Return to sender, sabi ni Jaja.
Kasi yung set ni Chi para kay Nga was low. Look at this. Ang baba, hindi pa nga umangat sa